everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm do invents decor, but 6 months ago now I'm start a new journey. I'm start to flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. I'm a flip furniture mom. Today's video I'm going to flip a free buffet, use 2 tons of stress and transfers to take this buffet to the next level. Let's go to start. I got this buffet on the side of the road for free, in pure good condition, was a china cabinet. I load the bottom one because not fixed the whole piece in my car. When I go back for take the top one was gone. It's dirty but is in pure good condition. It's solid wood. I'm in love with this buffet. I really love the handles. First, I'm taking out the hardware for make a good cleaning. Now I'm doing texture power with mix with paint for make some texture on this buffet. My dark color was dry, now I'm going to use my light color. I'm going to paint any direction to make more texture, and I'm apply 2 coats of my light paint. The final distress looks like old and rustic. That I want, this look. Antique one, rustic and old. Now I'm going to apply my transfers. I think this Magnolia transfer is the perfect for this piece. going to apply in all piece clear wax for protect and make more easy. I'm going to use a dark wax on the top. I'm applying dark wax on my transfer to make more dimension and some shadow and make my transfer much better. Do a quick look before and after. I really love how this buffet comes out. I love this antique rustic look. I love the shadow on the transfers make this so beautiful. This antique look is the first time I'm using wax. I'm in love with this finish. Can you let me know what you guys think? I hope you enjoy my video like I did to make it. If you like the contents like this, don't miss the next week on the next Thursday a new video, a new idea, a new makeover. See you on next one. Bye!